Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. It's finally here. This is the new ARRMA Infraction BLX 3S. Let's open it real quick. I gotta do it on the floor because my tables are busy right now with other stuff more important. So let's do it in a little bit different way today. So to start, say 65 miles an hour. This is on a 3S. This will be actually pretty much a very fast 3S vehicle, but let's see what we got in the box. So they're coming in two different colors. This is one of them, and they tape it really good into the box, so it's not gonna damage like all the other vehicles they ship. Let's pop this puppy out. Okay, so whoops. It's tied really nice to the box, so when you get it, they're gonna come without scratches or any other problem. Let's see something real quick here. Take the nylon wrap and let's show you what we got. So to start, let me bring the camera closer. It's a really cool looking small car. They made it like kind of like, you know, it's again the can block truck. I don't know why they don't pay actually the royalties and just make it like the can block car and then gonna sell much more of them. Really cool design, exactly like the ARRMA Infraction Mega. And what they did initially, they just took the body from the Infraction Mega and painted it in a different colors and put it on the ARRMA Vendetta. So let's do this. Let's remove. Yeah, look at this. It's broke on the first pull, like those rubber pieces. It fell on the first pull. Okay, let's see. This one come out. Wow, this one is stuck really bad. So this one was stuck really bad, so just snap the rubber. Not a big deal. Don't break anyway. And then when you look underneath, you can see it's also tied to the box really good. I guess they learned the lesson. And what we got here, it's a kind of a basic setup. It's a 3S setup that they're doing right now for all the other vehicle. Whoops, this was a bad idea to do it this way. Anyway, you have here the 3S brushless motor, of course, with EC5 plug, IC5, EC5. This one and the EC5 is the same thing. The IC5 just have the telemetry extra wire over here, the gray one. Now steering servo, it's the same steering servo that keep failing in everybody, so pay attention to that. Usually we change them to 25 kilogram and then there's no problem. Now let me teach you a secret. So this is already come as a brushless system. We tried in the past to actually take the Mega and make it into a brushless, but the problem was that the gearing inside here are not that good because they're using a mode 8. It's actually mode 0.8 and a mode 1, and those I think have the mode 1. I'm not sure. I need to actually open it and see. And what happened with the previous version when we tried to upgrade it was just grinding the gear real quick. So you have to pay attention to it. Now you have the motor here with cooling fan, and then you have the ESC. Now this is another mistake that they're making, pretty big mistake. You can run 130 amp ESC instead of this. This is only 100 and the car will run much faster. You will reach actually 100 miles an hour, just so you know about that. Overall, it's literally like a Vendetta, very basic high-speed truck, and you know, for the money you cannot really beat that. They have the bearing here to hold the shaft in place. The shocks and everything are the same shocks that come in, like, you know, in the Vendetta. So it's literally the same vehicle, just with a different cover on top of it. Now I did this video real quick just to show that we got him here, and then what I'm gonna do later is compare it with the bigger car, of course, and we're gonna go outside and bash it. So don't forget, like, subscribe and share. I know this video is a little bit messy. I just want to show you guys that we have them. We are at 17555 Chatsworth Street, Granada Hills, California. I have them on a special deal. It's much cheaper than the internet. So you need to come to the shop. I cannot tell you the price over this YouTube posting, but it's much cheaper than what you're going to see it on the internet. So drop by to the shop. Bye.